Hey guys, it's your freckle face esthetician, Flawless Didi here, and today I'm making a video just showing you guys the products that I use and how I do my morning routine as far as washing my face and skincare routine. So I'm currently at Ulta right now and I'm just showing you guys the different Dermalogica products. I will be using their special cleansing gel cleanser and their pre-cleanse, which is basically you use the pre-cleanse before you use the cleanser. So I'll be double cleansing my face because I do have makeup on my face. And to get started, I am going to just kind of show you guys the products I'll be using. The pre-cleanse, the special cleansing gel by Dermalogica. I'll also be using Laneige, however you say that, but I'll be using their Water Bank Moisturizer, which is basically a water-based moisturizer, and their lip mask for a fresh pout. So I'm going to be adding my headband on right now. My hair got really messy once I got out of the shower, so I'm putting a headband on just to kind of tame my hair while I get started on washing my face. So here's the pre-cleanse that I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to be putting the water on just lukewarm, kind of in between hot and cold. And now I'm going to get started with pre-cleansing my face. So I do have makeup on. I am just going to rub the cleanser in my hand. Sometimes I add just a small little bit of water so that way I can rub the product in, and it'll just really pick up all the dirt, the oil, whatever is underneath my skin. It's really just going to get deep down in there and pick up all of that grime off of my skin. I love double cleansing. Excuse me, I love double cleansing because it just allows me to be able to get literally every product off of my face for a squeaky clean feeling. It's not too harsh where it just absolutely strips my skin, but it does get all residue off, which is literally the key step to avoiding acne and breakouts and bumps and stuff like that. So I love to double cleanse. So now I'm going to rinse the pre-cleanse off my face, and then I'm going to just take a towel. Normally I use paper towels, but I'm just going to take a clean, fresh towel, pat my face dry, and just kind of go over any areas that may still have like makeup or residue on it. Next, I'm going to be taking the special cleansing gel. This gel cleanser is really good if you have a normal combination of oily or dry skin or oily skin. A gel cleanser works really well with just kind of sucking up any oils, any excess oils. And it actually doesn't foam as much. It has just a little bit slight foam, but not a lot of foam, which I really love. It just gives a nice rich lather where it's going to pick up that extra dirt that I may not have retrieved when I pre-cleansed. And it's also really a good balancing agent. I have pretty combination on the normal side, I guess, skin. My skin doesn't get too dry, it doesn't get too oily. It's just kind of in between, so I feel like the gel really just kind of gives me that squeaky clean feeling, and helps eliminate breakouts. So after I double cleanse, then of course I move on to the next step, which will be to moisturize after I wipe this off, of course. So now that I rinsed the cleanser off and I have patted my face again, and please y'all, I put lashes on and they're strips and it literally hurts when I try to pull them off. I don't know what is in this glue, but I had to leave them on for the video because they are just not coming off. But anyways, I'm using the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream Moisturizer. I'm not going to exfoliate and I'm not going to use a toner for this video. I'll save that for another skincare video. I've already exfoliated my skin this week and I'll try to do another video on the exfoliating that I do. And also like the type of scrub that I use. You can exfoliate with a chemical peel, you can do a liquid exfoliant, you can do a physical scrub exfoliant, or you can exfoliate using like a brush or a sponge or anything like that. So I've already pretty much exfoliated my face a couple times this week, so I don't want to further exfoliate and cause any irritation. But I am going to heavily moisturize my skin for the day. I am also going to be moving on to the next step, which is going to be putting on a lip mask. So with the lip mask, I'm using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I can't talk. With this mask, I really want to be able to just have like soft, supple lips throughout the day. I do not want any type of dry lips whatsoever. And I incorporate my lips, of course, in my skincare routine. So this mask is everything. I don't know what they put in this product, but it is everything. Like if your lips are dry or cracked, if you literally put this on right before bed, I promise you, you're going to wake up with new lips in the morning. I promise. So that's it, guys. That's the end of my skincare routine. I just double cleansed, did a moisturizer, and did a lip mask today. Something very simple for you guys. And yeah, this is the fresh skin with the freckles. And this is the look with makeup applied and with my hair done. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.